on, guys? POV back at it again. This is a very like random video. I didn't have this really planned or anything. I just hit up a couple of my friends, said let's go for a drive with our AMGs and record some content, and everyone was down, so I was like, okay, so might as well do that and record. So anyways, we're gonna be doing that today. We're gonna be going for some tunnel runs, some motorway driving, some like cruises, a couple pictures, all that kind of stuff. We're just gonna be cruising, having fun, and hope you guys enjoy. So let's give you guys a cold start because my car is currently cold. Listen. Yeah, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. As you guys can see, I have no fuel at all, so we're going to be filling up this car with some fuel. We're also going to be washing because it's dirty, and all my friends are going to be meeting there. I think 2 or 3 of us are going to be washing our cars. So anyways, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Sit back, relax, enjoy, grab your food, whatever you guys do, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So today is a sunny day. I mean, not right now, but I know it's going to be a sunny day. It's bright. Hopefully it doesn't get too bright because I am wearing a hoodie. And yeah, as you can tell, I literally have no fuel, but luckily the fuel station is around the corner. The last time I done a meetup like this and a cruise was in my W204. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you do, because that video was banging. I can't lie, it might be more than 120. So imagine spending this much every 4 days. That's crazy. 12. Thank you. Always need the receipt for the tax refund. Now we're just gonna wait for the people to show up. We're gonna get a bit of recording, wash the car, then go for the cruise. As we got 1 out of 3 others, not including me. So obviously he's taking to his audience. I get why people look and laugh, but I don't care. Yeah, you shouldn't care. I have spotted something.
No, man.
What is that? What is that?
Bro, I'm actually like so mad. I fucking knew it.
Did you not see this?
No, I didn't see it.
But anyways, we got my C63. We got this S63 all scratched up and shit. How's it feeling?
Not good. Not good, mate.
Where did the C63 go? The other one's pulling up. He's down there. He's down there. Oh. And the third one's here as well. That sounds nice. We've got my man's. Let's check the interior of this. Red. Oh, I wish mine had this interior. This looks nice. I'm gonna go right in front of them and just rev at them. What's he rolling his window down for? Was he? I think he just liked the car. What the fuck? Why is that guy looking at me like that? If you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to me, Leo's POV, and Crozer, the black C63. The S63 is going to get downpipes and a map soon, so it's going to sound insane. Right now it's stock. black C63 is behind us. Oh my god, that was actually crazy. That's insane. Smoking. His car's smoking. The black one's smoking. Oh man, that is so unfortunate. How does that happen? Oh bro, come on. Why is it not popping? Pop, pop, pop. Yo, I can see smoke. There was smoke coming out of the inside of the car.
Yeah, he just hasn't ragged it for a while.
It's oil.
We're going to Viewpoint Stanmore. Oh my god. C63s look so nice. And I have one, but I just don't realize how nice they look. He has a lot more pops than I do. I wish my Sport Plus had a lot more pops. See if the black C63 is keeping up with us. Why is that guy braking for? What the fuck, eh? Oh, the black C63 has caught up. Gonna wait a bit and then we're gonna start driving smoothly. I need to let my brakes cool down, bro. Need to let them cool off. They are very, very hot right now. We have a random BMW that is convoying with us as well. And yeah. God, I literally dodged that. Having cars is all about having cars is all about having fun. You can't buy a car like this and not have fun. We're doing it legally as well, so there's nothing wrong with it. Yeah, it might be a bit loud, but it's fun, it's legal. Just doesn't want to pop right now. Mine isn't as loud. That's crazy. I love these roads. That's crazy. Oh, good. Right behind us.